tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life?
Good morning everyone. I decided to go on a hike today. I've already seen some deer, which already made my day. It's a bit cloudy, but I did make a decision to try to do a lot more exercise, and in the morning is the best time for me because I'm fresh and ready to go. So let's do this. It's a bit chilly out, which is one of the reasons I actually choose to hike in the morning, because I hate hiking when it's really hot. I'm sure by the time I get back to the van, it's gonna be much warmer.
Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
I got a bit of a steep incline here and I can already feel it. But the payoff when I come back is because I have to come back the same way. It's just nice to end the hike on an easier decline than incline. All right, I made it up. I would have shown you a camera, but you can't really see how steep it is. Anyway, I'm catching my breath right now. And this is the hike that I wanted to go to, so it's pretty cool. It has these photographic images that tell a story. Not only that, it's just a really beautiful walk. I am out of shape. I gotta do this every day. It's something new to try, which, you know, it's healthy. Any exercise, in my opinion, is good as long as it's not damaging to your body. There it is. So they actually changed it, which is pretty cool, because I didn't realize that. I read one of them before and I was like, okay, this has got to be really boring the second time around, but they actually change it every month. You can see out in the distance how that's the first panel, then there's another panel, and then so on. Down there is a campground. I actually stayed at that one time. Didn't like it very much. It's not expensive. Sites are so close together that you get almost no privacy. At the end of the trail, it's pretty good. I think I did 5,000 steps, maybe less. But it's something better than nothing. You see, this whole area here is pretty wet, and I don't think they have any sprinklers, but I looked at the tree and check this out. The tree has a few droplets of water, and I'm guessing it's because of the fog and how humid it was. That's pretty crazy. Check this out. I'm definitely ready to go back to the van, maybe make some coffee. I've been trying to perfect my pour over coffee and I'm still pretty bad at it. That tastes really good though. I think I'm not getting the grinding coarseness right, or my filter's too dense, if that makes any sense. I got this guitar a while ago, maybe 2 months ago, and the reason I never put it in my videos is because, well, I suck. Be gentle with me in the comments. I'm not a professional, I just got it as a hobby, and it's a great hobby to have, especially when there's no cell signal in places that I go sometimes. That lunch was delicious. I always outdo myself. It was a little spicy, but hit the spot. Check out this video if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for watching and being here, and I will see you in the next one.